Hello everyone, today we are going to open and build this latest LEGO Wicked set, Glinda, Elphaba and Nessarose at Shiz University. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. So here we are. I have finished building this Lego Wicked set, Glinda, Elphaba, and Nessarose at Shiz Uni. So the main reason I bought this set because of these exclusive hair pieces. But before we look at the mini doll, let's just start taking a look at the build first. First, we have this little boat, the cell plastic thin. I like the fact that we've got a new color for the boat, and this boat actually can float if you don't put too much stuff inside. The coolest thing I think in this part is on this printed tiles. Yes, so it's not stickers, it's actually printed, and these are containers to contain whatever that it's supposed to contain. And this is supposed to be the entrance of the Shiz Uni. I haven't watched the movie, no, I have watched the musical, so it's hard to tell how much this resemblance of the actual thing based on the picture in the instruction booklet. It is a very small part of it. Given that this is the smaller set, it makes sense to have just a facade and some of the details. And you can see there's not much at the back, just enough space for you to place the mini. So and here you've got one big sticker here to present the logo or emblem of this university. But the biggest surprise for me in this particular build is this printed tile here. I thought it's going to be a sticker, but it's actually printed, so it's nice to get a new printed pattern. However, this piece probably won't be available from Pick a Brick, so you have to make the choice whether you want to buy multiple of this set or just having two of this is enough. As I mentioned before, there's nothing much in the interior. However, you can actually remove this shelf of potions, and if you turn around, there's a sticker of the QR code which you can scan and takes you to a promotional website. And here is a close look at the mini dolls. On the left, we've got Elphaba, and then we've got Glinda, and then Nessarose. These are, unique mini doll based on the movie, which looks really nice. Although I'm not a fan of mini doll, but the biggest draw for me to this set is all these new hair pieces. I don't want to spend money on the biggest Wicked set to get this, and I know because this is a licensed property, so it's very unlikely this will be available from Pick Brick. And you can see Glinda's hairstyle is probably my favorite new hairstyle. It's a really good looking hairstyle, and of course you can always remove this and place on a minifigure. Elphaba also has a pretty cool hairpiece as well. And then we've got Nessarose, which is on a wheelchair in this pearl gold color. Her hairpiece, I don't think it's exclusive, but it's always nice to get some of these uncommon hairpiece that you usually don't get from a Lego City set. And this is the Lego Wicked set, Glinda, Elphaba, and Nessarose as Shiz Uni. It's a set that I really bought for parts, and the build itself is very simple, not much play feature, although you do get a QR code to go to their website, but yet when I scan it today, it takes me to a 404 not found. So maybe it's a regional thing, but again, it doesn't resemblance much of the actual building because it's a really small part of it. Having said that, the boat is really cool, and of course, the new mini doll hair pieces are excellent. Now, will I recommend this set to anyone? Probably not. Only if you love the movie, or like me, there are specific parts that you want to get from this set, but you don't want to spend big money on the biggest set. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.